Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone.
Today we will be discussing how you can display your name on your iPhone lock screen. First things first, head into the Settings application. Then find and tap on Focus. From here, we need to add a new focus. Tap the plus button in the top right corner and select Custom. Now go ahead and type in your name or whatever text you'd like to display on the lock screen. Once you're happy with the text, select a focus profile color, then scroll down and choose a focus profile icon to display next to the text. I'm going to use the star icon. When you're ready, click Next, then Customize Focus. Now we don't actually need to customize the focus settings themselves, because we're only using it to display text. But feel free to customize if you'd like.
On s'ordonne. Head back to your home screen.
We need to enable this focus. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to access the control center. Click and hold on the focus option, and then tap the focus we just created. This focus is now enabled. If we lock our iPhone, you'll see your name or the text you typed in is now displayed at the bottom of the lock screen. But what if you want to add your name as a widget at the top of the lock screen? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. To display your name at the top of the lock screen as a widget, first, open the App Store. Search for an app called AnyText. It should look like this one. Tap on it. Make sure it's the app that looks like this icon. Tap Get, and download it to your iPhone.
Once the app is downloaded, open it up. Now just start typing what you want to display on the lock screen.
I'm going to type in my name. Once you've done this, click the settings icon in the top right corner. From here, you can customize the text even further.
Once you're ready, exit the application.
All we need to do now is add the widget to our lock screen.
Go to your lock screen and press and hold anywhere on the screen.
Then tap Customize, and then tap the lock screen. Now click on Add Widgets. Scroll down the widget menu until you find AnyText. It's important to note that you can have up to 10 widgets within the AnyText app, but in this case, we're only using widget 1, so select the widget you want to use. Now exit out of the customization options. Go back to the lock screen and, as you can see, your name is now being displayed as a widget at the top. And you can combine this with the focus mode we created earlier, so your name is displayed at the bottom and the top. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks.